All right, family, today I'm going to go out and we're going to harvest those sweet potatoes. So let's go check it out. I'm going to go get Robert so we can go ahead and just see what we got going on. This is my first harvest, so I'm excited about it. Let's go check it out.
Harvest time.
Yeah.
Sweet potato harvest time.
All right. Robert says sweet potato harvest time. That's right.
We're going to see what we produce, what we got here, what the nature did. And
Amen.
see if we get prosper here in our harvest, sweet potato harvest. And so I'm going to commit to dig with my...
Okay, well, first of all, we're going to cut the leaves and we'll get those out the way, family. But come down here. You can even pull some of these out. We can even pull them.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to probably get some of these. Yeah, we'll pull these out.
Pull this out.
Yeah, and then we could, there we go. Just pull them up.
Okay.
And then we could get some,
use my glove.
yeah, we could pull them up, and then what we could do is I can take some of the slips.
I got it.
Oh, I see a little sweet potato right here.
Oh,
Look at that little sweet potato.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. All right, let's see what we got. All right, we're just gonna pull the vines up. Maybe on this other side. Stand over here.
While I'm doing this.
Let's see if we can get any, see what's in there. Yeah. Pull the roots right up.
They way in the ground.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. They what I did. Okay.
Pull all that out.
They need to come up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see if we can get some sweet potatoes. What's in there?
Move this out of the way.
Yeah. There we go.
See what I'm gonna put this.
Yeah, you could just sit that there.
Okay, now I'm gonna take my hand and dig, feel for it.
Let's see if we see anything in here.
What am I gonna do with the dirt?
We could leave it. Oh, I see something in there. Oh, look at these. We got some little guys. Hi, Sammy. Hi,
Let's see
Sammy.
that.
Oh, look at this little guy. Nice. Let's see what we got. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Look at these.
Take a picture. Take a picture.
This is the Japanese.
So give me a bucket to put this in.
Yes, yes. See what we got here.
Let me do it, baby. You can't do it all. I told you.
Oh, look at this. We got another potato. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful sweet
I hear
potato.
something crying. The cat. Boo Boo in the house.
Look at these. Nice.
What we gonna do with the dirt, babe?
We could probably put it over here. We could even flip it.
Okay, flip it, yeah.
Yeah.
Let me flip it. Will you
Just flip it over there, yeah. Let's see. There we go. All right. Let's see what.
Look, I got it.
Okay.
Let me do it.
All right. Wow, look at that one. Look at how big that one is. Oh, now we're getting to the big ones. Wow. Look at these big ones, family. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful sweet potatoes. Wow. Look at these. Look at these. All organic, good sweet potatoes. Wow, look at this one. This is awesome. All right, look at all these sweet potatoes. We got all sizes, little, small. Wow. And you know, the soil was so good. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's put them all in here. Look at all these. Look at all these nice sweet potatoes. Yes. And this is so nice because you can have your bigger ones. You can do your sweet potato pies or what have you. Your smaller ones, you could put in your stew or just, you know, bake them as a side dish. That is awesome. Look at all these wonderful sweet potatoes. I think we should do that other one too.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, might as well, because you know it's gonna start getting cold. Yep, see what we got going on. Look at this. Beautiful. Nice. Wow, look at that. Look at all the sweet potatoes. All right, look at that, family. I'm gonna start putting some dirt back in here.
What is shovel? Let's pick that shovel.
Shovel?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
All right, let me see one.
Yeah, there's a lot of small ones, but look.
Oh, you're on the red?
Yeah, we got, this is a Japanese. I think this is the other one that's a different one, so we're gonna try this one.
Oh, wow.
And then we got a whole bunch of these small ones, but you know what?
Oh, those aren't small.
But you know what we could do? You know how you cut them up and put a little salt and stuff? We have to let them cure for a little bit. And then we could, you know, cut them and, you know, do different things. The bigger ones I can make some sweet potato, and the small ones we can cut up, you know, to put like a little side dish.
Well, you should do it for Thanksgiving dinner next Saturday.
Yeah, we'll let them cure. That's perfect.
Okay.
You can plant these right here. Huh?
Oh yeah, well, no, this is already.
Okay, already gone.
Yeah, it's already a potato. But see, these you can cut up small. That's why, like, when you see like different, yeah, they lit up. They have different size. But I'm just happy about these ones. These, look at this. Yeah, honey. Yeah. Look at that, family. This is our first batch. This is our first harvest. We got a whole bunch of smaller ones, I noticed. But we also got a couple of these big ones. So we're going to do this next one here. And we're going to see what's in this one next. I can't wait.
Which one? This one or the...
No, this one.
I,
All right, we're going to go ahead and do this one. I think this one's been about 90 days. So we're going to go ahead and see what's in this one. We'll go ahead and pull them out. And let's see what we got.
Vine. Take the vine.
Yep, just pull the vines out. Let's see what's in it. Woo! Look at these little guys. Yeah. Now this is a different kind. This is the Japanese, and this one is the kind you like, Robert. What is this one called?
They dark tan.
Yeah.
I like the red one, baby. You know,
Okay. Well, we're gonna have a variety. All right. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. We got the red ones. We got the orange ones. Let's see what we got here. All right. Another little one. Okay.
these little ones, they didn't get nowhere.
Yeah. Little guy.
Okay.
All right.
Okay,
See what we got here. Oh, look at that.
that's a dog. I mean, a tan
Beautiful.
one.
Beautiful. Look at these. Beautiful, family. We're getting some good ones. I wonder if we should just tilt it over.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah.
And maybe we could do that. Yeah. This is awesome. Yeah, thank God. Man, thank God for you, Robert, because this is heavy. When you first do it, it's one thing, but when you get all that water in there, and it's starts growing. There we go. And this is right out of the grow bag. Let's see what we got going here. All right. All right. Let's see here. Okay, another little guy. All right. Yeah, these guys, they didn't really get too big.
No.
Yeah, what's going on with that? That's a big one. Hey, Mama. All right.
Ain't going nowhere. No. They ain't go too far with that one. I know you was nice.
Yeah, I was excited. I was looking for some bigger ones.
Yeah, maybe we should have went for that little one. You want going for the big one?
Yeah. All right. Oh, look at this. Look at this, family. Beautiful. Robert's cracking up. Man, look at these nice size ones I got here. These here. Put the bigger ones out. Let's see what we can get. Smaller ones here. All right. Look at that. This one. All right.
That's pretty much that, baby.
All right. Well, look at that, family. Look at that. We got a bunch of little ones. I thought we'd probably get more big ones, but you know what, family? We got to be grateful. This is our first. This is our first harvest, and we got a couple of good ones I'll be using for the holiday. All right. We're doing these ones a little earlier. Oh, look at these. All right. We got some nice little ones here. Wonderful. They're not real big, but it's been really cold. Starting to get cold. So we're going to go ahead and just go ahead because I get those on the floor there, honey. I started late. So we're going to go ahead and, all right. Very nice. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, look at these ones. These ones probably would have got a little bigger, huh?
Yeah.
Possibly. But that's okay. These still can be used.
Okay.
That's about it. Okay, should we get the other one and just pour it on top? All right.
Well, I get
All right. Okay. This one don't really have nothing. Look at that, watering and watering and watering. Yeah, this one don't got nothing.
okay, that didn't produce.
It didn't produce. Okay. All right.
That's it, huh?
Yep, that is it. And Robert is working hard. I am so glad we harvest because some of them didn't come. Some of them didn't even produce anything. Look at that, family. My first time harvesting sweet potato. This is amazing. I'm so happy. Look at all this. Look at all these nice sweet potatoes. Then I got some small little guys. Some little guys. I got some little medium size. Yeah, we got all different sizes. This is amazing, family. All right. Let me know, have you ever planted sweet potato? And let me know how your harvest came out. Or put a link in the comments so I can go and check out your harvest. But family, thank you so much. This is our first sweet potato harvest, and it has been a success. All right, look at all the beautiful sweet potato. I got the Japanese red, I got some bergamot, we got the big, the medium, down to the small. And what I'm gonna do is let them just cure, let them just sit. And I'd say about a couple of weeks, we're gonna make some really good sweet potatoes. I'm thinking about even the small guys, because you see some are, you know, pretty, some of them are a really good size. Some of them are smaller. You got some of them are a lot bigger. But what I'm thinking about doing with the smaller guys like this, I want to do a sweet potato, a pie. Cut these up and make a nice pie out of them. But for now, family, we're going to let them sit and just cure. We're going to let them just sit and cure, and then we're going to enjoy them. But family, I want to thank you guys. Hit that like, smash that notification bell, and subscribe to your sister channel. Peace out.